girl HyuneeEats, and today I'm going to be eating Kimchi Bulgogi Nachos, so let's get started. So the ingredients for this Kimchi Bulgogi Nacho is the nacho chips itself, and then the bulgogi, which I had marinated since a couple of days ago, so I'll put the recipe in the description box. And then I have sour cream and then avocado under this mountain and some raw onions, jalapenos, and pico de gallo mixed with sliced kimchi and kimchi juice. And oh my gosh, that is seriously the best salsa dip ever. So if you guys haven't tried it, you guys have to definitely try it. And then I sprinkled some scallions and then cilantro on top and jalapenos. So let's dig in because I'm so hungry. Look at that. I really wish you guys could try this. I love fusion foods, so this is like the best. But it's just hard to eat. Oh my gosh. It's so good. I put like half a raw onion in here because I love onions. And you know what the key to staying young is? Eat lots of onions and garlic. That's how. My little secret there, if you guys didn't know. Look at that bulgogi. Just eat it. God, it's so good. See that avocado? No! Come back! Oh my goodness. Just keeps falling. So let me tell you, the other day, I was at McDonald's, right? And then it's like a 2-lane drive-thru. And I'm like ordering my food, and then this guy from the other lane, he's just like that. And I was like, I smiled, right? Because that's like manners, right? I just smiled back. And then I order, and then he goes in front of me, and then I'm like this. So it's basically, this is his car, and I'm like faced towards him, but he's kind of slanted. And then he looks at me, and he goes like, right? I'm just like, okay. And I smile back again, and he just keeps staring at me. And I was like, okay, this guy's kind of scary. Like, does he want to, like, I don't know. Why does he keep staring at me, you know? It was just like the weirdest experience. So I started looking at my phone because it got a little awkward, and I was like, okay, well, bye. And I was like, is this enough for my nacho chips? But it definitely looks like it's enough. I just need more pico de gallo, which I have right here. Okay, look. That's a little bit of everything. I love cilantro, so I put in extra cilantro in here. Oh, this kimchi pico de gallo. You guys seriously have to try it. So guess what? Keep guessing, keep guessing. The other day, I hung out with my other best friend. And guess what? I told her about my mukbang channel. I told her, and you know what her reaction was? Her reaction was, oh, well, I'm not surprised. I was like, what? Really? I was like, what? Why are you so calm? This is so weird. I thought you'd be like, at least like, what, honey? Like, you know, that's crazy. I never thought you would do that or something. I don't know. But this girl, she's literally like my sister from another mister. Anyways, I told her, and she's like, oh, so that's what you've been doing, huh? And I was like, how come your reaction is so like boring, you know? Like, I was like, my friend already knew I was watching mukbangs before, and this is what happened. I went on that Beyonce diet, the cayenne pepper diet. You guys know that? And I did it for like 7 to 10 days. And literally, you cannot eat anything except like water and the cayenne pepper drink. So for those excruciating 7 to 10 days of not being able to eat anything, I turned my eyes to mukbang. And so watching mukbang would actually satisfy me. You know, there's people that have told me that my mukbangs satisfy them too. So I understand that 100%. And this was when like mukbang was getting popular outside of South Korea. But I used to watch mukbang way before it started getting popular. And I kind of stopped watching it, and then I got back into it because of my diet. And then my friends were like, oh, what do you watch these days? And I'll be like, I watch mukbang. And they're like, I thought you're on your diet. How can you watch mukbang, you know? I was like, well, I get like, you know, satisfaction from watching others eat. My friend never got that, and she was like, I'm not into mukbangs, you know? I feel like it's more of a normal thing now to watch other people eat on YouTube because it's becoming more widely known, and I don't know, it's not such a weird thing anymore, you know? It's like part of content, like YouTube content. So, back to my story. She was like, well, you were watching it like every day when you were on your diet, so it wasn't a surprise to me that you mukbang. And this girl knows I eat a lot. So yeah, that's my story. She's actually down to film one with me sometime later in the future. So you guys might see her in my videos. I was like, really? Are you sure? Really? You're down? And she's like, yeah, of course. It's funny because my friend, like, we go out to eat, right? And if it's like a menu she's not really into or she's like whatever's about, she will eat like this, like. And then, so when she told me she's down to be in my mukbang videos, I was like, you can't eat like that. You have to like make people want to eat and you have to look like you're enjoying your food, you know? Hey, we're matching. Pink, 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 pink. Okay, I'll tell you guys one funny story. So, like, I moved out when I was like 20, 21. And I started doing like full-on makeup when I was a sophomore in college. So I think that was when I was, what, 20, 21? 2021. But whenever I went home, I wouldn't put on any makeup or just put like something light, you know? So my parents never saw me with like full on makeup. Like behind all this makeup, like I kind of do have a baby face. Not like a baby face, but a babyer face than, you know, normal. People my age. So I know, like, this was when I was like 23, 24. I showed my mom a picture of my friends, right? I was in it too. Can you guys guess what she said? It was the funniest thing ever. She said, they're all pretty now, you know, all grown up. But who is this non-Korean girl? I'm laughing so hard. It's me. It was me. My mom didn't know it was me. Some people asked me, like, why don't you try Korean natural makeup? I did, but I have such a high arch in my brows that if I do it, I get like a, if I do like the straight brows, I get like a little like ding here because I have an arch there. So I can not have straight eyebrows for sure. And then, well, I don't put full on makeup like this every day. When I'm going out to the market or something, I just put on baby cream. No. I just put on BB cream and some eyeliner and maybe like a light eyeshadow or like just wear BB cream and sunglasses. So, yes, I do put light makeup on sometimes, but I think this makeup matches me more. That's what I think. This is the hyuneeEats that I like. One bite. Gotta finish them onions. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and to become a honeybee. And like this video if you guys liked it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.